Hello. How are you today? We learn lesson 4 in chapter 2. Validate data entered into web page. Data validation. After you've finished learning basics of JavaScript language, you will use this language to set the web page to be an interactive. Can you leave the data field empty? Type any number of characters in text box. Type a different password in the text box. Type any data type in data field web page that validates your entered data. Firstly, required field. Create a web page in which we can see a form with these elements: text box to enter student name, submit button, and set value attribute to be sent to submit the form data. To get this, 1. If submit button clicked without typing student name, an alert box will be displayed to inform us that this field is required. Write this code in the notepad and save as document. HTML. Open the HTML document in an available internet browser. Web page will be shown as follows. The name attribute specifies the name used to identify the form. The action attribute defines the action to be performed when the form is submitted. Normally, the form data is sent to a web page on the server when the user clicks on the submit button. To add a text box to web page, you can use a following tag: less than input type equals text name equals text1 greater than. To add a submit button to web page, you can use a following tag: less than input type equals submit value equals send on click equals return F1 greater than. The value attribute specifies the caption for a button. The on click event occurs when the user clicks on a button and specifies the JavaScript statement or function name. Here the function is F1 to be executed. To create F1 function that will be called or executed on button click, we use the following code: function F1. To check the content of text box that is found in the form1 through the value attribute, if form1.text1.value equals to display the alert box with required field alert. Required field to return false. If the text box was left empty, returns false.